So we're at a farm for a birthday party, and I took a selfie with Camel. Yes, that happened.
Wait.
They're so cute.
No stick fingers. No fingers, they will bite. Yep.
Even though there's a spider
Oh,
one.
he's so cute.
I'm going to feed it. I'm going to feed the pigs.
Alright, you want to hold it? You got to hold the bucket so that way it's feeding.
I made noises, so I
You want to do it? You don't want to do it? Landon, you want to do it?
Landon's like, no, I'll stay back here.
Camels are just like horses.
Grace,
They,
you want to pet him?
just like cows.
They're soft.
Yeah, he's soft.
So they're constantly, they keep it in their throat.
Don't walk behind the horsey. Landon, wait. Alright, let's go over here with the talking birds.
I'm going to take you back. Hi! 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 Why are you biting yourself?
Hello?
Say hi.
Say hi.
Or not.
Yeah?
Again. Oh.
I'm getting on here. I was trying to say that. That bird is on Rio.
I like it when it bounces.
Hello. Hello.
I love you. I love you.
Hello. You're a little far away.
I love you.
There you go. Thank you.
I love you. That parrot was right.
I just wanted to bounce again.
I love you.
You want to bounce? You bounce? Bounce. Thank you.
Hi. 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 Hi.
No, it's waving at you. Do it again. Hi.
Hi.
No. Hi. Say hi.
I love you.
Wait. Hi.
But it was like taking its fingers, it was doing this.
Hi.
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 Hi. Mwah.
Hi.
It's dancing.
You are
Dance.
pretty.
Hi. Dance.
Huge. Okay. All right, let's go back to the birthday party. Where's Michael? Michael, come on. This man and his love for horses. I think she's turning him into a cat. The fact he's actually letting her, though, is what's funny.
I need to look into
I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it in the middle.
What are you making him?
He wants to be a cat.
Oh, he wants to be a cat.
You don't have to walk with me because I am.
Elizabeth.
They have them there too. You don't, I wouldn't get what you are.
You're so centered on them.
Michael.
Yeah, you're yelling at it.
It's a girl.
It's like, get over here to them.
They're very
All animals do.
yeah.
All animals do. You don't yell at them. Mr. Grumpy. Mr. Grumpy.
We need one of these, but keep it outside.
Say time to go.
Like annual or perennial?
Say time to go.
Time.
Time to go.
Bye-bye.
Time to go.
They're annuals.
You have to say time and then two and then go.
Time to go.
Hey, Jacob.
I'll try to make
No.